I live in a semi-rural village in Lasbela, Balochistan, which is very remote and underserved area in Pakistan.
It's difficult to access quality education as well as job opportunities due to a lot of issues such as patriarchal norms and cultural values, especially for women and girls.
और हमारे ज़माने में स्कूल काफ़ी दूर थे, इतनी मुश्किल लग रहे थे स्कूल जाना, और हर तरह की वो सहूलतें जो उन्हें हमें नहीं मिली है हम अपनी बच्चियों को देना चाहते हैं। और मेरी कोशिश ये है कि जो मुझे नहीं मिला है मैं अपनी बेटी और दोनों बेटियों को देना चाहती हूँ। उनको किसी मर्द की ज़रूरत ना हो, वो खुद एक मर्द बन जाए।
A situation of violence and extremism, so finding a place for young people to come together to share ideas, to show talent or to express their mindset is very limited.
ज़्यादा कदर हमारे मुआशरे में लड़कों को ज़्यादा अहमियत दी जाती है, लड़कियों को कम दी जाती है।
Female are limited to their homes.
The most challenging thing in past has been access.
पहले चीज़ें लैब नहीं थी, इंटरनेट का हमें बिल्कुल पता नहीं था।
Access to resources, access to electricity, access to internet.
I myself was going into the fields and putting one mobile on the tree and connecting it with the hotspot so I get proper signals for using internet.
How would your life be without the internet?
Dark, like the way I close my eye. So how could we create a world where a girl who can just walk 5 minutes apart from their house and they can connect to a global world of opportunities?
It's a community network we built with the support of Internet Society.
With an idea to create a community and environment where everyone thrive, everyone have an equal opportunity, be it a girl, be it a boy.
Wali is centering 6 to 7 villages on walking distance.
थ्रू हम गर्ल्स को यहाँ पे डिफरेंट स्किल्स और टूल्स सिखा रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से
It's a kind of mother-daughter combo. Their mothers over there are using it as an employment opportunity to work over here in stitching unit.
कुरोए बनाते हैं, सिलाई, कढ़ाई, कुरेशी।
Their daughters are learning digital skills and marketing to establish their online business.
वो लाइफ में फर्स्ट टाइम इस तरह एक जो है ना कंप्यूटर सीख रही।
Kind of a safe space for women. They are coming here to learn, but the unity I am observing among them, I don't think so it was possible without internet.
It's solar powered, it's connected with a high-speed internet connectivity, and it's accessible for everyone.
The people of the community manage all the process themselves. This is how we are bridging the digital divide and transforming lives in rural communities.
It was very rare to see girls in public space.
उन बच्चियों को ये चीज़ें सिखा सके जो उनको जो है ना फ्यूचर में भी काम आए।
Now we see girls taking part, learning digital skills, learning AI, creating podcasts.
My favorite thing about my podcast is we have discussed a lot of issues such as climate change, gender equality, mental health, SRHR, menstruation. They have a platform to speak and someone is listening to them. Their stories are being heard.
पेशेंट है गार्डनिंग, फिर फूलों के बारे में, पौधों के बारे में।
मेरे इंटरनेट पर फेवरेट चीज़ ये मैं गाने बना सकता हूँ और गाने के लिरिक्स लिख सकता हूँ और गाने की वीडियो बना सकता हूँ और एडिटिंग कर सकता हूँ। ये मुझे बहुत अच्छी बात लगती है।
Everybody is trying to see how can internet, with the support of Internet Society, can help them to change their life. Be it a teacher, be it a child with the enthusiasm about AI, or be it a farmer who wanted to know how can technology help them in their agricultural life. The dream that we had to create a community or a space where everyone is participating is turning into a reality.